Hostify from sign up to synced in 90 seconds. Do you have lakefront properties, riverside, or coastal rentals? Well, let's connect Hostify with lake.com to get your properties in front of guests searching for their next perfect getaway by the water. Here's why I think you're going to really like this integration between the two sites. First, you can work from your Hostify account that you're already familiar with to manage your rentals, your pricing, and calendar availability, as well as guest communication. All of that still happens on Hostify. And now with the free lake integration, you'll reach a targeted audience of nature lovers and family travelers searching for their next adventure, covering over 10,000 destinations on lake.com, including waterfront cities, lakes, and parks. And with the integration, you're always going to be synced in real time. That means your listings, calendar, and reservations are all updated automatically. So we're here to help you grow your revenue with less admin and more bookings and happier guests. Here's how to connect in a few easy steps. Step 1, sign up or log in to lake.com. Once your account's verified, select that you're logged in as a host by hovering over that Me menu in the top right-hand corner. Step 2, you'll be asked if you want to create your listings from scratch or import existing ones. So choose Import Listings. On Step 3, connect with Hostify. Just scroll down till you see Hostify, then click the Connect button. On Step 4, you're going to need your Hostify API key. So let me show you how to get that. To get it, open Hostify's website in a new tab, then go to Settings. Scroll down on the Settings page to the bottom where you'll see API key. Now just copy that to the clipboard. Then back on lake.com, paste that API key into the field provided. On Step 6, just click Connect. Lastly, you'll see a connection successful message on screen, and you'll know that your Hostify listings will start syncing and importing into lake.com. Your Hostify listings will start importing automatically, but the first time it might take a few minutes, even up to an hour, especially if you have dozens, if not hundreds of properties. That's a lot of photos to import. Now, static content like property titles, descriptions, and amenities, as well as those photos, in the future, they're going to update every 6 hours. But for the most important information, your calendar availability and your pricing data, that updates every 5 minutes. So again, dynamic content like pricing changes, especially from pricing tools like Beyond, Price Labs, or Wheelhouse, those are all going to be synced every 5 minutes. So you're well optimized to ensure that you're taking advantage of every pricing change and having that reflected on lake.com. Step 7, view your imported listings on lake.com. As I mentioned, if they don't appear immediately, you can refresh the page. It might take a few minutes the first time, but then after that, it's going to be automatically updated. And that's it, you're done. If you ever need to make changes to your properties or reservations, you do all of that on Hostify, and we keep these two systems in sync. With lake.com and Hostify, you'll always stay synced. You're going to save hours of effort every week and connect with travelers who want the exact type of properties that you have to offer, those that are by or near the water. So there you have it. Connect today and get ready to welcome the next family staying at one of your beautiful properties.